Mayong hapon sa tanan! Very good! Karon tawagon na ako si Ate Joby para sa iyang inspirational message.
Kani siya nga message, ika ni kay Joey, kay siya gud ang kwan. So, ibilinan ni Uncle Julian sa reunion. So, nagimo siyang message. So, maayong hapon sa tanan. So, good day everyone. To our beloved elders, relatives, and members of the Kinyal family. I'm sorry not to see you around this activity. Anyway, welcome to our second Kinyal family reunion. It is truly joy, blessing to see all of you gathered here today. United not just by blood, but by shared memories, love, and our strong bond. Today, more than just a reunion, it is celebration of who we are as a family. It is time to reconnect, to love, to remember our roots, and honor the legacy passed down to us by those who came before. Each one of us carries a story, and together we form beautiful history and continues to grow with every generation. As we enjoy this day, may we strengthen our relationship, create new memories, and continue to support one another in all aspects of life. Let this gathering remind us, no matter where life takes us, we always have family to come home to. Thank you to everyone, especially the Smolo family as a host this event. A Smolo family as the host this event. And to all of you who took the time to be here, your presence makes this reunion truly special. Let us continue to hold grand reunion because they are important in maintaining our unity as a family. Once again, welcome and let us make this memorable. Mabuhay ang Kinyal family! Yeah.